If you accidentally deleted messages on Cash App and need to recover them, follow these steps to attempt to retrieve your information. Keep in mind that recovery options may be limited. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Cash App related to your transactions. Cash App often sends transaction confirmations and updates to your registered email address, which may contain the information you need. Step 2. Access Cash App support. Open the Cash App and navigate to the support section. You can find this by tapping on your profile icon and selecting Cash Support. Here, you can submit a request for help regarding your deleted messages. Step 3. Review transaction history. In a Cash App, go to the Activity tab to view your transaction history. While this won't recover deleted messages, it can provide details about past transactions that may help you recall the context of your conversations. Step 4. Contact customer service. If you still need assistance, reach out to Cash App customer service directly. You can do this through the app or their official website. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the messages you need to recover. Step 5. Consider third-party recovery tools. If the messages are crucial and you cannot retrieve them through Cash App, consider using third-party data recovery tools. Be cautious and ensure that any tool you use is reputable and secure to protect your personal information. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Cash App may be challenging, following these steps can help you retrieve important information related to your transactions. Always remember to back up important messages in the future to avoid similar situations.